Nothing can change your circumstances instantly, but you have the power to change how you relate to them. At the very least, you can let go of unnecessary tension and look at the situation from the outside. The goal of this technique is simple: to bring yourself back at the peak of stress or panic, to find calm, and to restore your inner balance. For the best effect, listen to these instructions without headphones, or complete the technique after listening through once. Are you ready? Close your eyes and turn your attention inward. Now, spread your fingers wide, as far apart as they can go, like you're showing all 5 fingers on both hands. Gently place your thumbs over your ears and rest your remaining fingers on top of your head, elbows bent and open wide to the sides, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed. Take a deep inhale, close your ears with your thumbs, and slowly exhale with a humming sound. Like the gentle buzz of a bee. Feel the vibration of that sound fill your entire inner space, cleansing and calming your mind. Continue at your own pace. Deep inhale and exhale with the sound. 7 more cycles. Inhale. 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 When you're done, gently lower your hands and simply observe the natural flow of air. Feel the stillness inside, the steadiness. This is your natural state. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Now, to look at your stressful situation from the outside, ask yourself 3 questions. Can I influence or change these circumstances? How will I feel about this situation 1 year from now? What can I do right now to help myself feel calm? Remember, a breathing technique like this one, a warm cup of tea, a walk outside, movement and exercise, a conversation with someone you trust. All of these can help you in moments of intense emotional tension. Try it. And remember, everything that feels complicated is actually simple.